Hello, I'm Pat, Axway's integration specialist. If you are here with me today, you are most likely willing to learn more about Flow Central, what it can be used for, and what are the main concepts behind this new capability. Great, that's exactly what I will help you achieve in this video. Let's look at what we will cover in this video today. First, we will discuss one of the main use cases for Flow Central. Second, we will learn about some key concepts to use in Flow Central. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the main use case for Flow Central. Here is a good example of what Flow Central can help you accomplish. Each time a business manager in the company wants to subscribe an external partner to a new business service, he has to reach out to the MFT team to set up and test the data transmission. This process is not very smooth, as the MFT team struggles to collect the right information from their business colleagues, who in turn become frustrated as they perceive the MFT team as a bottleneck. Using Flow Central, I could define MFT services that are presented to the business manager in an easy-to-use form, whether through a web portal or in the AMPLIFY catalog. Using one of these options, the business application owners can subscribe their partners themselves. This subscription will automatically deploy the technical configuration on the MFT components without forcing the business manager to provide technical information. The process runs faster, my business is self-sufficient, and I can concentrate my effort on governing my MFT shared services instead of creating configuration files. That's a win-win situation. Let's now focus on some of Flow Central key concepts. A pattern, or flow pattern in Flow Central, represents the sequence of operations describing the transfer of files from a source to a target. This can be seen as a technical skeleton of your data flow. At this step, you don't know who is sending or receiving the files. You can see an example of a pattern that lets a partner upload a file in SFTP to an application using CFT through the Secure Transfer MFT gateway. And I'm sure you can think of many more in your IT. A template, or flow template in Flow Central, is the instantiation of a flow pattern where you can override specific default values or add some controls on the information being passed over. You may also want to specify a particular set of participants, whether this is the source, the target, or any relay involved in the data flow. This can be seen as an MFT service, which complies to the operation of the selected pattern it's built on. You only need to create one template per type of business service. You can see an example of a template to send files to the billing application via the Secure Transport MFT gateway using specific upload folder naming conventions. A subscription is the addition of the missing data to a flow template in order to create a fully functional flow. This action can be executed several times for different participants using the same template. Each iteration will result in a new MFT flow being created in Flow Central. In our example, we need to subscribe the vendor ABC to the template so he can upload a file to the billing application. In the subscription process, we select the vendor ABC and provide additional data, like the SFTP credentials, requested by the template. We can reuse the same template for partners DEF or XYZ. The action of subscribing a participant to a template or providing additional input data is usually executed by a business person through a self-service interface or in the AMPLIFY catalog. Congratulations! Now you're able to explain what you can use Flow Central for, by example, to streamline your request process by offering self-service capabilities to your business, and describe some key concepts used in Flow Central, such as patterns, templates, and subscriptions. Next, you might be interested in learning how to deploy Flow Central or how to create your first template. You can access each module by clicking the link.